have heard of SANS NetWars before. But what exactly is it? Well, let's find out. NetWars is really about the application of hands-on cybersecurity training. With challenges in pen testing, cyber defense, digital forensics, and incident response, you'll walk away with real-world experiences on how to handle various situations. Oh yeah, did we mention? NetWars Core version 9 is here. With challenges to test all of your cybersecurity skills, this browser-based cyber range from SANS is unlike anything you've experienced before. Join the tens of thousands who have competed in SANS NetWars. Visit sans.org/netwars to learn more.